Exciting things are happening right here in Moseley, Virginia. Construction is officially underway at Mount Hermon. This brand new 30-acre community will feature beautiful townhomes with up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Our modern floor plans aim to please, with gourmet kitchens, dining nooks, and spacious family rooms. What truly makes Mount Hermon special is its setting. Nestled among mature trees, the community is surrounded by natural beauty, giving you the peaceful country feel, and yet you're still in the heart of Chesterfield. You'll enjoy a quiet retreat without sacrificing convenience. Mount Hermon's location truly has it all. You'll be close to top-rated schools like Cosby High School, local hotspots like River City Sportsplex, Corner Park, and the future of the lake, plus everyday favorites like Starbucks and Westchester Commons. And you'll love the easy access to Route 288, Hall Street Road, and Midlothian Turnpike, making community simple and stress-free. We can't wait to welcome you home to Mount Hermon, a community that blends nature and convenience. Visit us at HHHuntHomes.com to learn more or schedule your tour today, because it's how you live that matters.